Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So as you can see, we are in the kitchen finally, and today I am going to be doing this section of the kitchen, and hopefully I can get to the bottom. The products that I will be using is the Vasper Express Paint, and I'll have this at the end of the video. This just came today. Itachi, I believe it's called, spray gun. Very good reviews. Got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link if you're interested in purchasing it. And then after everything dries, I ordered these gold tone brass stone, I guess they are, 30 pack knobs, and I already got one hung up just to see how it will look, but after I get it painted, this is how it's going to hang. And it's gonna really, I think, give a pop to my kitchen. So I got 30 of these, and I think I bought these back like in the winter time of last year, probably about $35. So I haven't went on to see if the prices have went up. And I calculated that I'm gonna need about 20 doorknobs. So I'll have some left over for other projects. All right, so enough of me talking. I'm going to get you in fast mode because this is going to be a long process, and then I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, that did not take me long, even in fast motion. We're gonna let this dry. I'm not going to do the insides of the cabinets for right now. I'm just doing the outer. But I see a big difference already. So once it dries, I will be back. Okay, so I got this side done. I didn't really do too much at the top because I didn't clean it off, so I'm going to take a regular brush and do that part up there. And as you can see, it is shining. I bought the Valspar satin paint. I said that's good for kitchens. And again, this part is drying. But overall, look at that. Beautiful. You can see here, this will need another coat. And this part over here. So I got a long way to go, but already it has brightened up my kitchen from the before and after. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. So I am going to get started on this part, and I will be back. Okay, Fabulous family, look at that. So it is drying, of course. We are going to need another coat. Somehow I scratched this part right here, so that's got to get redone. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. What a difference. Big, big difference. Compared to that 1990s mess. So my focus today is to, because this is the much bigger side, is to get this side dried completely. Probably, see, it is 9:05 Saturday morning. So I'm going to come back in here in about 2 hours and have my breakfast, and we're going to put the second coat on. But overall, I see a big difference. Alright, so this is the kitchen cabinets with the knobs on. This is 2 coats. I did this last month and started hurting real bad with my back. So I do have to go back over and do some more touch-ups, but I just wanted to briefly show you how everything came out. And then we're going to pan over here on the other side of the kitchen. That was only 1 coat. I do not have the knobs up yet. One weekend I will get some strength and finish that. As you can see, this is not finished. I still need to do a coat over there and to finish the big box down here. So I'm just trying to let you see how everything came out. The kitchen tiles that I put down, the pill and stick, they are holding up, except for a few that I have to order another package. And then I just put some gold trim around. My floors are almost done. I'm waiting, we're getting a new double oven, stainless steel, hopefully by Thanksgiving. So I didn't finish the part of the floors here because we have to, we're going to moving that refrigerator out, and then I'm moving the stove out, and then I'm going to put the gloss down on the floor. But just to give you a little sneak peek, so this is the bottom. It has been chipping, but this was, the bottom was only 1 coat. And I was just such in a rush just to see what it would look like. But overall, compared to that brown, oh my goodness, it really made a difference in my kitchen. So I am in the midst of getting my backsplash installed, and I need to order another pack. It'll be going around. I'll just put those 2 pieces up right now and did like a trimming of gold tape in here just to bring it out. this ceiling fixture changed. I already have the new one. So thank you for stopping by, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I'll see you in another video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye bye.